In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use breakpoints in the Wix editor, allowing your site to look fantastic on any device, be it desktop, tablet, or mobile. Let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at how you can select a breakpoint. You'll notice at the top of the Wix editor canvas, there are icons for desktop, tablet, and mobile. These represent different screen sizes that your site might be viewed on. By clicking on one of these icons, you can see a preview of how your site will appear on that particular screen size. This is a crucial starting point, as it allows you to tailor the user experience based on the device your audience is using. Next is the exciting part, making design changes. As you work with each breakpoint, you have the freedom to edit the layout and styling according to what looks best for that specific screen size. This means that any adjustments you make will apply to the current breakpoint you're working on and smaller devices, providing a seamless and responsive design. For example, if something looks great on a desktop but feels cramped on a mobile screen, you can rearrange elements or adjust font sizes exclusively for mobile users without affecting the desktop view. Once you've made your changes, it's always a good idea to verify how your design adapts across different devices. To do this, you can use the resize handles on the canvas, or even better, click on the preview button. This feature lets you interact with your site in a simulated environment, ensuring that everything looks exactly how you want it before going live. Now, let's explore how you can add, edit, or delete breakpoints to customize your site's design. You'll want to open up the Customize Breakpoints panel. This can be done by clicking on the icon next to the breakpoint icons in the top bar of the editor. In this panel, you have the power to manage breakpoints effectively. Adding a breakpoint is straightforward. Simply click on Add Breakpoint, then input the pixel size for which you'd like to design. After entering the size, click Done, and you've successfully added a new breakpoint. This feature is especially helpful if you have specific design needs for sizes not covered by the default desktop, tablet, and mobile settings. Editing a breakpoint is just as easy. Hover over any existing breakpoint that you wish to modify. Click the edit icon, depicted by a pencil. Enter the new size and hit Done. This way, you can continuously optimize your design as standards and preferences evolve. If you ever find yourself with redundant or unnecessary breakpoints, you can easily streamline your setup by hovering over the custom breakpoint you wish to remove and clicking the delete icon, shown as a trash can. And there you have it. With these tools and tips, managing screen responsiveness on Wix becomes a simpler, more intuitive process. Your audience will thank you for the effort, enjoying a seamless experience no matter the device.